Hello, everyone, and welcome to Twisted Thursday. Today is September 15th, and it's a special Twisted Thursday, being that it is Prince Harry, aka the Duke of Sussex, birthday. So drop a comment, wish him a happy birthday. You never know, he might see this. Anyway, let's get on to the unboxing of this month's Mindful Souls. It's the most wonderful time of the month that my Mindful Souls box shows up, and I'm so happy, but here we are. Think positive, and positive things will happen. Remember that, everyone. Affirmation for self-love. Loving myself unconditionally brings healing and an abundance of love into my life. Loving myself unconditionally brings healing and an abundance of love into my life. Loving myself unconditionally brings healing and an abundance of love into my life. Tourmaline bracelet. It's gorgeous. Tourmaline bracelet. Wearing tourmaline strengthens your connection with the mind, body, and spirit, making a wonderful personal talisman piece. This one-of-a-kind bracelet combines the energies of pink and green tourmaline to bring protection, grounding, joy, and vitality. Obsidian necklace. Obsidian necklace. Obsidian is known as a vibrancy stone to connect you to your soul's purpose. Black obsidian is a strong psychic protection stone. In the Middle Ages, it was believed to ward off demons. It has powerful metaphysical properties that help shield you against negativity and stress. Many of us may need this necklace because Mercury retrograde is being more retrograde than it needs to be. Lavender essential oil. I am in my happy place. Lavender essential oil. Schedule yourself a well-deserved, relaxing therapy and take some time to focus only on your well-being. These sweet, earthy, floral fragrances will uplift your soul and allow you to dive into harmonious vibrations. For thousands of years, lavender has been used to ward off negative energies and physical pain. Apply this oil to your aroma diffuser or sprinkle it in your therapy candle and let it assist in removing all blockages and inviting clarity into your path. Calcite. Calcite. The calcite crystal stone meaning can be traced back to ancient Greece, where it came from the Latin word calc, meaning lime. Add the calcite crystal into your environment and let it cleanse and amplify the positive vibes of the space. Made of limestone, calcite is a common mineral known as a major energy transformer, dissolving the old to make way for the new. Calcite contains an energetic field that is constantly radiating with pure and vibrant energy. In this box, you will find one piece of calcite chosen by destiny, and it is beautiful. Lapis lazuli ring. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. Lapis lazuli ring. Lapis lazuli quickly releases stress, bringing deep peace. It brings harmony and deep inner self-knowledge, encourages self-awareness, allows self-expression, and reveals inner truth, providing qualities of honesty, compassion, and morality to the personality. It stimulates objectivity, clarity, and encourages creativity. Lapis lazuli assists to confront and speak one's truth and inspire confidence. It bonds relationships, aiding in expression of feelings and emotions. Porphyry obelisk. Porphyry obelisk. Porphyry are an excellent stone for detaching blockages in the chakras, working chiefly and most powerfully with the third eye and throat. It helps to connect you to the earth through our feet, as well as help to feel the heartbeat of Mother Earth. Works very powerfully at throat and third eye to unblock our perception as well as our intuition. Lavender essential oil. Schedule yourself a well-deserved relaxing therapy and take some time to focus only on your well-being. The sweet, earthy, floral fragrance. And just a reminder, the link to Mindful Souls is in the description. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time to the channel, or maybe your second or third, and you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, please do. If you want to support the channel on a monthly basis, please check out the membership tab for more information on that. I appreciate each and every one of you. Be well, wear your mask. Take care, everybody. Bye.